See, it's very thin.
Just that little strip.
Yeah.
What
Well,
happens if
there's-
you leave that on?
There's many little strips. I mean, you see here, you just peel it off.
Oh,
Because it's too hard. So you just get the hard edge off, cut it into chunks. That's all you do. Cut up your strawberries. Okay, now we're gonna make the crust. We can use this bowl, I think. Just try it out. And then I get the oven on 350.
I'm gonna run down and get my tools real quick before I forget.
Leah, can Charm go back downstairs again? She wants to go back
Yes.
downstairs.
Yes.
Yes, she went outside.
Yes.
Poop.
Yes.
Charm, you want to go back downstairs? Go ahead.